ना अमीर हूँ ना रईस हूँ ना बादशाह न फकीर हूँ, दरे मुस्तफ़ा है मेरी सनसलत, मैं उस सनसलत का फकीर हूँ। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। With the greatest name of God, who is Rahman and Rahim, who created me, you, and whole this world, said by the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Our dear director, leader, and all HCS stars, I want to greet you all. Assalamu alaikum. As you know, day to day, we have a great topic that Islam is a base religion. According to my mind, according to all the world, all our world, that Islam is a base religion in the world. Because Islam teaches us how we can keep the good behaviors to people. Islam teaches us how you can be a grateful man. Islam teaches us how you can be a successful man. Islam teaches us how you can go forward. Islam teaches us how you can take revenge. Islam teaches us how you can keep passion in yourself. According to my mind, if you are saying that whole the world, I want to say you that it is that all the world people they used to say that Islam is not a best religion. Why they are saying, but they have not knowledge according to my mind. I will suggest to them, read the history of Islam. Read that Holy Quran of Islam. What is written in there? Before, in your future, that what will happen in your future, that is written in your Quran, in our Quran. So according to my mind, that when people burned that Holy Quran, when people burned Holy Quran, that someone did FIR on that person. They went to court and said that judge, please that say to their people why he burned that our Holy Quran. Why he burned Holy Quran? Then judge asked the questions from that criminal that why you burned it. He says, as my wish, I have burned it. So that the Muslim person said that I want to take revenge. So judge said that whatever he has done, you can do. If you are saying that if you want to burn that book of that religion, you can burn. After some that minutes, he said that I am agree, I can burn it. So he took that book of that religion and went on a road. There were 100 people there were. They were watching to the Muslim, that Muslim was that burning that the book of another religion. He was about to burn that book of that another the religion. Then he stopped. Then he stopped and take kiss of that book and say that in our religion there is written, if someone is burning, if someone is doing anything against of Islam, you should not fight. You should keep patient and Allah will take revenge from him. So we should not, if someone that slap us, we have to slap. We have that authority in Islam. If someone will slap you, you have to slap. You can take revenge. But you know that if you keep believing in Allah Almighty, Allah is doing better decision for you. Not just in this knowledge. Also that Islam helps us, that also Islam change the life. If we are being that bad person, if according to Islam, if I am being bad person, there is a lot of things. There is that guidance that how you can improve yourself. According to my mind, if you will read that the Quran, you will that feel that I am being relaxable. I am feel relaxed. Why it's being so? Because there is written the truth words. From Allah Almighty, there is also many things they came. Prophets came, any other things that world created. But we are a lot of facing our difficulties. But we will meet to our parents that are our the heavener. If we will meet with them, maybe our heart is not true. Our heart is not feel relaxable. If we will touch to those things which are near to Allah Almighty, that is Quran and Namaz. That we have to pray, we have to recite those things which gives us strength way. We will know that correct and incorrect in our society. Why our society is being so? Because of these things which we are not offering. So always try to spread knowledge and always try to love each another. Because this Islam teaches these things which today we are doing. Love to each another and respect to each another. Thank you so much for listening.